Hi, my name is Cindy Rang with the Fabric Patch in Ephrata, Washington, and I just want to take just a couple of minutes to show you some of my top Minkee gifts that I have completed and ready for the holiday gift giving season. So these are some of the most popular, quickest, most requested gifts. So the first one are the Minkee mittens. So this is a really fast pattern. It's my own pattern, really easy to make. You can make it out of all kinds of things. I like it out of Minkee because it's just so plush and soft. You can also make it out of a leftover sweater. You can make it out of flannel, whatever you'd like. Another one is the stuffies. The stuffies are really fun. Some of my favorite patterns are Carol Zoo because it's 2 pieces. We did a whole separate video showing you the secret to sewing this with Minkee, and we have tons of them to choose from. Some nice fun winter animals or anything else that you desire. We, of course, also have one of our very popular little blankies. This is our little cuddle buddy. So it's a little gruesome. There is a video that shows it, but you can imagine what kind of happens. But he's super happy because then he's constantly loved, carried around, gets to go everywhere in the car. Of course, we can never forget slippers. Slippers are great. We use those leftover Minkee pieces in the inside, cotton on the outside. And if you can't find the nice little grippy stuff, I'm just going to tell you a little secret. Glue dots from a hot glue gun. Just put it on there, let it dry, and you have an anti-slick surface. There's patterns for that called tiny toes. There's another pattern called winter warmers. If you would rather have gauntlets instead of mittens, then we have that pattern. There's also our cowl. The cowl is super popular. A lot of people want not just one, but multiple colors because they're so warm and plush. Keep everything nice and warm and toasty for those cold months. And of course, there's Minkee blankies. So there's all kinds of options for you. One is to just do a really quick flip and sew where you put Minkee on one side, flannel on the other, sew all the way around, leaving a little opening, turn it right side out, and then whip stitch it closed and do just a tiny little top sew so you have this little faux border that's kind of nice. Your other option, if you're using a Minkee that's double-sided like a fleur, one that looks like this, then you can add a little applique if you'd like to, and you could add a binding that makes it kind of nice, a little bit lighter weight if we have somebody who's receiving a gift that's in maybe the southern part of the States. And of course, our 2-yard Minkee quilt. This is one of our softest, most plush. We have the 2-yard Minkee rolls. All you do is you just roll it over right sides together, sew all the way around, turn it right side out, and you end up with a 36 by 60 blanket, which is just perfect for the couch. You can also add one of your little tags to it that say Merry Christmas or made especially for you from Nana. And then lastly, we do have a video about how to make a really quick, easy strip pieced Minkee quilt. So if you want something a little bit more substantial, a little bit larger for a bed, there's some really quick techniques in making this and sewing this up and giving it as a gift. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Anything that'll help to get you ready and warm for the holiday season.
Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to leave a comment, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. You can also visit our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest pages, or find all of those things and our online store at fabricpatch.net.